Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. As you could probably tell by the title of this video what this video will be all about, but before we go ahead and get started, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video, as well as turn the bell notifications on to be notified each time we post. Let's go ahead and get started. So as you could probably see right here that I have an Amazon package, and inside of it is a ring light, which I'm going to open up, set it up, as well as review for you guys to see and show you if it's really worth the really good reviews that it had on Amazon, and if the quality of it is nice. Alright, so as soon as you open the box, you can see the name of the ring light, and it's packaged really well. It even has those like airbags on the sides to make sure that the package doesn't move around and potentially get damaged as it is in transit. So I'm gonna open this up and show you guys what it looks like, but from this point of view, how it's packaged and everything, I'm really liking it. I think it's packaged very nicely to prevent any damages, and I really like how the box looks as well. So this is what the box looks like outside of the Amazon box. It's an all white box, and it has right in the front just the graphic and the name of the brand that sells this ring light. What's nice is that it comes with a box, so you can take this with you anywhere. Makes it portable and very convenient, because this is something that you would want to take with you whenever you're traveling and things like that. Okay, so I went ahead and took everything outside of the white box, and it comes with a nice little bag for the tripod stand, and you have the ring light itself right here. And then inside of this, I'm assuming, is the extra wiring as well as the remote that it comes with. But let's go ahead and open everything and see what it looks like. So the first thing I went ahead and opened is the tripod stand itself, and it's got some really nice height to it. I gotta say, I'm impressed. The quality of the stand is really well too. It's very sturdy, and it has an area right here to put all different parts. So the halo light, it's something you could put on here, as well as like adjust this to put on your phone or camera, which is really nice. You have a little part right here which would adjust this, and down here you have little clips that can adjust the height. So let me try to show you how to do this. So once I open the clip, it starts to go down. It's a bit difficult to show you as I'm recording as well, but I'll try my best. So as you can see right here, I opened up the clip and it shortens the tripod. Now if I wanted to open it again, I would just clip it, clip this side as well, and then for the top, or sorry, the bottom, I would have to open more of it and then clip it again. And there you have it. Very nice, and again, very sturdy. I love that it comes with a bag, because this makes the tripod stand very portable, and it's convenient, because then if you're traveling, you can take just the stand. You don't have to worry about where you're going to put it or carrying the whole box. It can fit nicely in that black bag. Alright, so moving on to the halo light. Just trying to open it right now. It comes packaged very well. It has these like air bubbles to prevent the ring light from getting damaged. And it's really good. This is one of the delicate parts of the package. So this is what the ring light looks like. It has the brand name on there again, on and off button, and then a plus sign to increase the light, a minus sign to lower the and dim the light, and then in between that there's a switch button. So when you want to switch the types of light, you can do that as well. And the tripod stand is really really nice because you could bring it, as this little book shows right here, this would be the lowest setting of it. So if you use those clips at the bottom and close them completely, then it becomes a nice low stand that you can put on your table or anywhere. And you can even collapse the stick or the stand parts right here to turn it into like a selfie stick if you wanted to. And this is how big the stand is. It is 10 inches, and it's the exact name of it. And this is what it would look like once the ring light and everything is attached. Now I just opened the small brown box that you saw earlier, and basically it comes with a little part to hold your phone in place, and a charger or connecting wire for the halo light or the ring light, and then there's a remote that you can use for the tripod. So if you wanted to take pictures, you won't have to put a timer on or worry about being super close to the tripod. You could easily just connect your phone using Bluetooth to the remote, and once you do that, then you would just click the iOS button if you have an iPhone and an Android button if you have an Android phone, and you can stand as far away from the tripod as you want, and you have the option to take those nice pictures or even record videos. And then here's a little manual on how to connect it. Okay, so it took some time, but I was able to connect everything together. There are a lot of little compartments like this, or areas like this that you have to screw on tightly to make sure that nothing moves or is loose, that while you're in the process of making a video or pictures, it starts moving around. So I was able to get the ring light on. The nice thing is this little stick right here, you can move it around and adjust how you want to. So far I'm pretty impressed with the quality. It was a little bit more difficult to set up than another tripod that I've had, but it's pretty good so far. I was able to figure it out, and if you're not able to, if you're still stuck, they do provide you with their email as well as the actual manual that helps you figure out which parts go where. So it's not too bad. So what I noticed for the wire, and I really like this, is that it comes with a wall plug-in on its own, so you don't have to worry about getting a separate block. I know that was an issue with my previous tripod. I had to put the wire into another block, but this one comes with its own attachments, so you don't have to worry about that. So I was able to plug in the wire. Again, the wire is only needed if you're going to be using the halo light. If you want to use it just the tripod attachment, then you're not going to be needing the wire. And I just wanted to show you just the different light settings that the tripod has. So as you can see, once you plug it in, it goes on the side. It took me a few minutes to figure out where that goes to. It wasn't mentioned in the user's manual, so I thought that was kind of interesting. Maybe they thought a person would be able to figure it out, which I eventually did. But anyways, so once you plug it in, there's a blue light that turns on. So I'm just gonna hit the on button real quick. This is what the light looks like, and if I'm changing the light setting, this is like another option, so it's less bright, and then this is the orange option. It's kind of hard to tell. The cooler option, and a little bit nicer, and then here's the orange option again. Then you have the option to dim the light and increase it as well. Not really noticing a difference. Oh, there we go. So it was on the brightest. Now I'm just dimming the light. I'm gonna brighten it up. There you go. Okay, so this is what the light looks like at the very lowest point that it goes to, which is what the reference picture has right here. And the reason I put it like this is because I want to be able to show you what an object would look like if it had the ring light facing it versus if it didn't. So we're going to look at these flowers here for an example. So right now it's in regular room lighting. It gives off like an orange, white light, which looks great. Doesn't look too bad, but let's see how the light would make a difference on that. So I'm going to shine the ring light on there and just show you for reference. So again, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like with the first light option we have. So I'm going to switch it up. This is the more orange light, and the closer we move it, the quality gets even better. I'm going to switch it one more time. This is another yellow option. So this light has 4 different options, 2 yellow lights and 2 white, and really makes a huge difference. This light would be excellent for pictures as well as videos. Really good. Then again, let me show you what the light would look like at its lowest point, or standing that low. Even when it's sort of tilted to the side and not facing the object, it's still giving off great light there. So that's really good. And I love the fact that it has this stick right here to be able to adjust the lighting. Right, so here is our ring light brand as well as the light itself. And I've got to say, I'm very impressed. I really like the quality of it, and I like how sturdy it is, whether it's on its lowest level or if I make it taller, it looks great as well. And I love that it comes with a portable bag, so I could use it as a selfie stick, a tripod, really anything, and you don't have to worry about carrying this box with you anywhere. And the halo light is the only thing you need the wire for, which again, the wire comes with its own block. And previously I've seen the tripods that I had, it didn't come with its own block, so you had to worry about finding that as well. But with this one, you don't have to worry about anything like that. Alright everyone, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed unpackaging this product and reviewing it for you guys. If you did enjoy it, please be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below, give this video a thumbs up, share it with others, and be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon if you want to be notified each time we post. Alright, we'll see you next time.